Good day everyone! Our topic for the day is all about functions and relations including piecewise functions. So before anything else, we will define what is a relation and what is a function. A relation is a rule that relates values from a set of values called the domain to a second set of values called the range. So a relation is a set of order pairs x and y. So tinatawag po natin na domain, yun po ang ating x, and yung range naman na values, yun naman po ang ating y. A function is a relation where each element in the domain is related to only one value in the range by some rule. Para maintindihan natin lalo yung pinagkaiba ng dalawa, all functions are relations, but not all relations are functions. So kapag hindi na nag-function ang isang relasyon, of course, may break up.
It really hurts ang magmahal ng ganito.
Okay? So tandaan, all functions are relations, but not all relations are functions. Okay, so relations and functions can be represented by mapping diagrams where the elements of the domain are mapped to the elements of the range using arrows. So, kagaya po ng example natin, yung x and y, nagamit po natin yung arrow to relate our domain to our range. Okay? Okay, by the way, may kinds of relationship po tayo. Yun po ang tinatawag natin one-to-one, many-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. Kapag one-to-one and many-to-one, ibig sabihin, stick to one po tayo. These two relation, yung one-to-one and many-to-one, is consider nating functions. While one-to-many and many-to-many, hindi naman natin siya makukonsider na function. Bakit? Dahil marami siyang kabets. So, talagang hindi mag-work ang isang relasyon. Okay, gets? So, based sa ating module, yung diagram F is one-to-one relation, while yung diagram H naman is one-to-many, and yung diagram G naman is many-to-one. So, makukonsider po nating function lamang ay yung diagram F and G. So, a function can be also in pieces. So, this is an example of function made up of 3 pieces. Ito naman po ay yung absolute value function, which is nag-form siya ng 90 degrees, and of course may absolute value po tayo. Another one is the floor function. Which is yung mukha niya parang hagdan. And lastly, meron tayong tinatawag na piecewise function. So dito tayo mag-focus sa piecewise function. A piecewise function is a function consists of 2 or more functions in a specified domain. So 2 or more. Example number 1, let f of x is equals to the first function, which is x minus 1 if x is greater than 2, and the second function, which is 2 minus x squared if x is less than equal to 2. So we will find each function value: a, f of 0, b, f of 3, and c, f of negative 1. Okay, so letter A, f of 0. So titingnan po natin yung x is greater than 2 and x is less than equal to if saan po yung tamang statement. So first is 0 greater than 2, then 0 less than equal to 2. So 0 greater than 2 is not a correct statement. 0 less than equal to 2 is a correct statement. So gagamitin po natin yung 2 minus x squared. which is in line to x is less than equal to 2. So f is equals to 0 is equals to 2 minus x squared. Substitute natin yung 0, which is the value of our x. So 2 minus 0 squared, 2 minus 0. So f of 0 is equals to 2. Let's proceed to example letter B, f of 3. So, i-check po natin if yung 3 is greater than 2 or 3 is less than equal to 2. So, 3 greater than 2, check. 3 less than equal to 2 is x. So, gagamitin po natin yung x minus 1, yung sa ibabaw. So, f of 3 is equals to, substitute po natin yung 3 sa x minus 1. So, f of 3 is equals to 2. Okay, let's proceed see f of negative 1. So, hanapin po natin yung tamang statement, which is, okay, so let's try negative 1 is greater than 2 or negative 1 is less than equal to 2. So, mali po yung unang statement and gagamitin natin yung negative 1 is less than equal to 2. So, gagamitin natin yung function na 2 minus x squared. So, f of negative 1 is equals to 2 minus x squared. 2 minus, isubstitute po natin yung negative 1 sa x, which is magiging 2 minus 1. So, f of negative 1 is equals to 1. Alright, so that's it for today. If meron kayong questions, please comment down below. And thank you for watching.